Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the topic, the role of VDRs in protecting indigenous knowledge. Introduction: introduce the topic of VDRs in the context of preserving indigenous knowledge and culture. Explain that VDRs are playing a crucial role in protecting the intellectual property and cultural heritage of indigenous communities. Mention that the presentation will explore how VDRs contribute to these vital missions. What are VDRs? Define VDRs as a virtual data rooms. Explain that VDRs are secure online platform for storing, managing, and sharing sensitive documents and data, which are essential for protecting indigenous knowledge. Mention that VDRs ensure the confidentiality and security of indigenous intellectual property. The role of VDRs in protecting indigenous knowledge. Discuss the critical role of VDRs in safeguarding and preserving indigenous knowledge. Explain how VDRs secure traditional knowledge, cultural artifacts, and oral histories and sacred documents. Mention that VDRs enable secure collaboration among indigenous communities, researchers, and organizations dedicated to preserving this knowledge. Here is the benefits and impact. Highlights the benefits and impact of using VDRs in protecting indigenous knowledge. Discuss improved data security, control access to sensitive information, and transparency in preserving cultural heritage. Mention that VDRs facilitate collaborations and knowledge sharing among indigenous communities, researchers, and institutions. Emphasize that VDRs contribute to preservations and revitalizations of indigenous cultures. Last of all, case studies and future prospects. Provide real-world example of initiatives and organizations that used virtual data rooms to protect indigenous knowledge. Discuss the future prospects such as using VDRs for archiving, digitalizations, and community-driven initiatives to preserve and transmit indigenous knowledge, and conclude by underlining the growing significance of VDRs in protecting and promoting indigenous culture and heritage. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please like the thumbs up button and subscribe our YouTube channels. Thank you for watching this video.